You think that picture's on King Kong? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's it together, together. Oh yeah. I'm flying. I go outside. I fight. I have strong muscle. Look at my muscle, big muscle. I have big muscle. I have a big muscle. I have big muscle. This is my muscle.
Wow.
I made this truck because it was Earth Day and we wanted to save the environment. And I made it, and my sisters and my parents helped me a bit, and it turned out to be a truck. Now let me explain how it works. So first of all, there's this door made of foot by the foot roll-ups, and there's a doggy inside with a cup, a dog. It's right here. And this windshield is made of a plastic made from this. And this is baby wipes. We made it into a engine.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the engine inside with flashlights.
The light.
The lights, they're made out of these cups.
Wow.
We took it out. This is the license plate, Sondad 2011. And this is the wheels from Lego. And right now, this is a baby's diapers box. We made it into the back of the truck. And this is another license plate at the back. Another license plate. And the smoke coming exhaust pipe. And
Ano ba ngayon?
this is the door. And this is the engine. It can go up and forth. And at the back, there's another one that can move. Where the smoke comes out when it dries, so the smoke inside won't come. So if there's smoke, it won't go inside, it will go outside. And